They say love sets you free, but next to him I only felt smaller, caged by something he called love. At first, I thought, maybe that's just what love looks like. A little possessive, a little intense. His love had rules, and those rules broke me. Quietly, completely. I stopped laughing. I stopped calling my friends. I stopped being Luna. And one day I realized love shouldn't feel like fear or silence. I used to think I needed him to feel whole, but I found myself again at the moment I walked away. Toxic love said, "You belong to me," but real love will say, "You belong to yourself."